What's going on, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about my Studio One recording template. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we're going to talk about my Studio One recording template. This recording template is amazing, man. It uses all stock plugins, and it'll take you from a recording to being able to also do a rough mix or a quick mix for an artist that you may be working with or yourself. So enough of me talking. Let's head over to the computer and check this out. All right, fam. So we have my Studio One stock recording template. And this is made with all stock Studio One plugins, which is great. So the first thing you do once you download the templates from my website, all you have to do is find your Studio One documents folder. You go here in the templates, whatever version of Studio One you have, version 6, you'll see songs, and put all of that information into this folder. And that'll give you the stock Studio One. That'll give you your Studio One templates. I have all these in version 4, but they automatically transfer over to version 6. And that's how you get the template inside of Studio One. So I'll give you guys a look here. As you can see, everything is color coded. Let's get this mix window out of the way. So here we have a section for your beat. You just import your beat, and all you'll do is slide your beat up to here, and your beat will be good to go. You have your main hook, you have your secondary hook, and your third hook. So what I like to do, have one main hook, and then I'll have a hook pan left and a hook pan right, just to make those full hooks. Got your lead vocals, your lead punch, got your dubs, lead dubs, ad-libs, 2 ad-lib tracks. It's that simple, man. Let's go here to the mix window to see exactly how it's set up. Like I said, you have your beat, then you have your hook section, you have your lead vocals for basically your verses, then you have your dubs, your ins and outs, whatever you want to do. Then you have your ad-libs. Like I said, everything here is color-coded. Everything here is color-coded, so you can tell everything the difference. And also everything is routed to its own bus. So we have the beat here. Then we have the beat bus. We have your hooks here. We have your hook bus, your lead vocals, your lead vocal bus. You have your dubs. You have your dub bus. Then we have your ad-libs, and we have your ad-lib bus. So once you record all these things, you no longer need to do any type of processing here. You could do all of your processing from over here. And like I said, this is your recording template. So this will give you a great recording. If you're working with an artist, so if you're recording yourself, you can get a great sounding recording with a good quick mix as well. So let's go over some of the processing that's on here. For your beat, I just have a simple EQ. Just in case you want to get dive in and do some EQing. Also have a compressor. For the hook vocals, got your EQ as well. Compressor. And your multi-band compressor. It's pretty much the same for all the rest of the vocals here. It's all set up kind of the same. Then for your reverb, got a good reverb here. This is kind of my custom. I call it Gels Medium Room reverb, which is nice. Then you have your big reverb here. Like I said, this is the Gels Big. I love this reverb as well. Then you have your delay. This is an 1/8 delay. Let's bring that up here. Then you have your slap delay. Again, all these Definitely serve a great purpose when you're trying to get a good recording. And like I said, once you dial these in, you can adjust the main level here for the reverb for all your effects, or which I recommend doing so you're not affecting all of the vocals. You're only affecting exactly what you want to tweak. You turn it on here, turn it on up here, and you'll turn it on here, and you'll adjust accordingly. That's what I recommend doing. Unless you want to make some overall changes, that's when you would do it here. For me personally, I just recommend turn it on here, and adjusting it accordingly. Then on your master, just have a basic limiter just to give you some more oomph to it, just to make it louder when you listen to it. So yeah, man, this is my Studio One stock recording template. You don't need any third-party plugins. You have all your stock Studio One plugins, man. You can get a great sounding recording in a matter of minutes. Like I said, I have everything set up for you here. You just basically you're plugging and playing, man. All right. Yes, sir. My Studio One recording template is amazing, man. I told you it's using all stock plugins and it'll get you where you need to be fast, man. If you use this template, let's talk about it in the comments below, man. Let me know what you think about it. I'm also creating a bunch of new templates for you guys to use as well. So you can check out my website, mixedbygels.com. This template is on there along with a bunch of other templates with a couple different DAWs. Hey, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video also. And it's your boy Gels. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gone.